inside we have... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to be doing my second FABFITFUN unboxing. For those of you who don't know me yet, my name is Gogui and I run TimelessLook. This is my second FABFITFUN box and I'm very excited to open it because if you haven't seen my first video, I really enjoyed opening my first box. I've actually used everything. I'm going to link that video down below, that way you could see what I got in my first box. I have to show you the box because it is so pretty. So here we have it. I did peek inside to see what there was, but I really didn't even open it. For the summer 2018 box, we have this beautiful summer floral look. It is so pretty. I love the combination of colors and it looks very tropical. Inside, we have a bunch of stuff. So if you guys didn't know, FABFITFUN is a subscription service and you pay $49.99 or with a $10 coupon code $39.99 and you get over $365 worth of goodies specialized to you. So in my experience, what I did was I filled out a questionnaire for FABFITFUN and their company, I guess, to get to know you better or to get to know what items to send you depending on what you need or what you like or what you like to use, etc. And then they send you this box for 4 times a year, and basically it. First thing that captures my eye in my box is this Oreo Luna, which is a face cleanser. I have never used it before, however I've seen it marketed and advertised in various places, especially in Instagram and social media. It has like a magnet. What is it? I'm not sure what that is. I believe it just cleanses your face. Ooh, it vibrates. It has different bristles and it just vibrates. Super cute though, and it has its own app as well. So okay, I'm excited to use this. I have a papaya enzyme peel from Elemis, and then this is to exfoliate and purify tired skin. You can also use it as a mask, so you apply it for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. I'm going to be using it, and people, you are going to be seeing it in my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is... I'm gonna put here a little bit just to see how it... Ooh, it smells super good. Doesn't smell like papaya, it smells like cream, but it's like a very nice fruity cream, just not papaya, in my opinion. I also have this Visanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator, and this is an exfoliating cleanser. So I have heard about this brand, I've actually read about this brand, so I'm excited to try to see how this works for my skin. And I'm just putting a little bit here just to see how it feels, and it is feels like a scrub, so it's going to be very nice to exfoliate. And it's like fine scrub, so I believe it's going to be a very good thing to try on your face. And then we have the Kula sunscreen. I actually have this one and I really like it. I use it almost every day. This is the classic sunscreen with white tea. And for those of you who don't know, Kula is a vegan, 100% organic, cruelty-free company. So this is their classic sunscreen and they're an awesome skincare brand. If you haven't used this, I would definitely recommend you guys to try it out because it is an awesome company to just spend your money in, because the money goes to good use in this company. I would say they also take care of you more than anything. SPF is one of the most important things that people really underestimate, and it has a very, very natural and bland, I would say, smell, but it's a very fresh smell that also goes away. It's not like it's gonna stay around in your face, and it goes on completely clear. So this is awesome as an everyday SPF, or even if you drive a lot, or if you just want that extra layer of protection. before your makeup, this is awesome to put on because it's not going to give you almost as much flashback to. It's clear and it is very thin. It's a very thin layer, so you don't have that buildup a lot of SPFs tend to have. So unwanted plug right there, but yeah, Cool is a cool brand. And this is so funny. I actually have this saved in my Instagram, in my photos in Instagram, because I wanted to buy this. So I'm excited to try this because I've never used it, but I was reading over it and it really intrigued me. And what this is, it's Habanera Marianela. It's a Hawaiian black lava body caviar with charcoal. So it's basically a hydrating body scrub. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like patchouli. But like very soft patchouli. It smells so good. I'm really excited to try this, and it looks like it's just weird. It's like a black honey, like I don't know, it smells very good. I love the smell. It has a bunch of oils. I think it's like organic based because it doesn't have any alcohol, silicone, no parabens, no glycol, so it doesn't have alcohol. I mean, obviously I just said it. No harsh chemicals or testing. So this is super cool. I'm actually very excited to try this just to see how it is on my skin. I have this Pier 1 Imports. I haven't gone to Pier 1 Import since I was like young with my mom. This is so cute. I guess I could put like my jewelry there, some rings, ooh, or even as like a ashtray. We have two more things, and this is pretty cool what I just see. This is the Tarte Pro Glow palette, and this is, I think this is the contour palette if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Ooh. It's pretty heavy. Yes, it is. Is a strobing palette for the face. We have beautiful, I think these are 4 highlighters, 4 very nice highlighters, and then sculpting powder, I think they call this, and a warm chocolate cream contour. I have yet to use it to see how it works on me, but we'll see. And I actually have 2 more things to open. I see this, and this is, I think, I know what it is. This is a paper straw, Save Our Whales. I don't know if you've seen about that organization, but it shows you a lot about how you can save our environment just by not using plastic straws and how harmful they are for the environment, especially for the sea and the wildlife in the sea. Definitely recommend you to look upon that, and I'm really gonna enjoy using my paper straw. So thank you, FABFITFUN, for this little present. Lastly but not leastly, we have this. I think this is a wild bag. Ooh, this is a cosmetics case, so it is pretty big. You could put a bunch of stuff here, and you have another zipper where you could put more things in. Ooh, it's pretty cute. It's got another zipper and places to put your brushes in. This is going to be useful for me. I'm going to actually put all my stuff right here. Oh, and by the way, this brand is Yumi Kim. I'm just going to put some things here just to see how it fully looks. It's cute. I think this is awesome for travel. Fits all your necessities. It's a very nice color. I like this color. And it's like faux leather, like a plasticky leather, so you could clean this up easily with a wipe or anything. It's not real cloth. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any ideas or if you'd like me to do any videos in particular, make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. So with that being said, peace and love, my timeless souls. I'll be seeing you in the next one.
Do your thing, 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 do your thing.